Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2021 Nissan Navara NP300 STX dual cab ute, stock reference number 4769. This shape runs from the 5th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a YS23 DDT 2.3 litre 4-cylinder twin turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. YS23 DDT 4-cylinder 2.3 litre twin turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand fog light with surround. Right front factory 18-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand tail light. Power window master switch. Black leather seat, automatic gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, and a right hand sun visor. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.